Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video I'm gonna do another unboxing, and this time around I've received a plant package which is a wish list of mine for 2021 supposedly. However, it looks like I'm getting it earlier this year. Making all that wish list and obtaining them, but this one just suddenly became available from a trusted seller that I've been buying from online. And when it came up, I didn't want to pass the opportunity to actually miss out on this. So hopefully that'll be good. So let's start to unbox this. So it's in this small container, as you guys can see. I think I lost the opening of it. Oh, there. Alright, so here's the plant. Love learning how they package this, because eventually one day, with all the plants I'm collecting, I eventually want to learn how to package it properly. So as you can see, it's just like right there, and it is a piece of I don't know if this is Hoya, but it's called, I just want to see how it's packaged. Look, it's just taped in there really tightly and nicely with a fragile box. And again, I don't want to make any mess here in my office because I don't want to vacuum again, but it's right there, taped in quite well, really healthy. It's kind of succulent-y. Like, I don't know if it's a, honestly, this is a silver dollar, what is it called? Silver dollar vine. I can't remember if it's a Hoya, a succulent, or a peperomia. But this is something that I've been eyeing for so long, and look how nice it's come. And this is the fastest express post I've ever had. I think it only took like 2 days for it to arrive, and it's already here, and it's coming from interstate. And this sphagnum moss is obviously still quite moist, so there it is right there. Okay, nice. All right, let's just what's the word? Let's just amaze at how beautiful this is. Okay, and look how nice and rounded they are. Okay, after this video I'd probably know what it is, but if you do know, please let me know what this plant is called. When I saw it, I just thought, oh, how nice. I've always had fascination for collecting jade plants, or plants that look like that, because they're just so nice. And this one is like a middle cutting. I don't think it's a tip cutting because it's had its tip cut off, I'm pretty sure. Okay, but still, it's an existing plant. Now I want to see whether the roots have actually survived, so I'm gonna unwrap that. So I'm trying to do this because I'm trying to do this quickly because I've got another appointment coming up later on. Catch up with some friends while the lockdown is over. So here, I'm just opening it up. Oh man, the rest of the roots just fell out. I'm still gonna try to propagate this, and I found a really good propagation mix, and I hope this one survives. So I'm just gonna pop it in that now before I leave for my appointment. Time check, still good. All right, anyway, just a short video. I hope that you guys like that. If you do, then please click that like button. If you want to see me make more plant videos, and please go on and hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.